Kubli pi brok hai te mentak ne ka enumerator ngala dep ko jike menin ha to ka video te jong ne mandal ro pom yu ngala dep mo ban solve te stawan le video te ki pdf jong kini question kin jong kini ki you can have po course to kitu kelas the de course to kin sayo kini te mentangan le na da ka ngan pendep nak ni science mo ni te apa ni pa science kene they as SI unit of electric current is ampere. This is kene ka important ki jinkali barim all ki long bit 60-70% ki one bit jinkali rim all question is to come from all question ta konkret wa ki all question ma wanum kinsting insulin is secreted by pancreas. Earthworm breathe through its whole body surface. Which is the longest bone in human body is femur, and the largest you make kindly comment it. Photometer is used to measure depth of the sea. Photometer, barometer, thermometer. The unit of noise pollution is decibel. The respiratory pigment in human being is hemoglobin. The scavengers of earth is fungi or bacteria is the same. If you choose any of them, one will be it will be correct answer. Which of the following vitamin help in blood coagulation? This is all. It will always come this question. Vitamin K. The pH of human blood is answer here is 7.4, but the pH of human blood is 7.35 to 7.45. Which of the following is colorless? Chlorine, sulfur, phosphorus. Oxygen is the correct answer. Waterborne disease is malaria, measles, chickenpox, typhoid. But typhoid is correct answer. Which pigment gives skin its color? This is melanin. Which is the largest organ in human body? Skin. Which element is known as king of metal? Gold. The common name of sodium bicarbonate is baking soda. Which of the following acid found in apple? This is malic acid. Nucleus of an atom contains proton and neutron. Nucleus of an atom contains of proton and neutron. This is very important question. Which of the following is the lightest metal? Lithium. The filament of an electric bulb is made of tungsten. Which gas is known as laughing gas? Nitrous oxide. This every time this question used to come in every time. DSC, Mpsc, grade 4 also. Ngiladap GK and science. We have finished GK and science. Then we'll see this English idioms in same meaning. Hit the nail on the head to be accurate. To burn the candle at both ends and means to work hard. To hit below the belt means to attack unfairly. In black and white, this is very important question, means in writing. To make a pie, to make a fortune. Choose the right answer. Fill in the blank. They buy, they buys, they have bought, they bought. They bought vegetable last week. I don't like this dual policy of pleasing people. He wrote a lot of letter yesterday. Not he had written, he wrote. The head of the pigeon had been blown away with rifle. The head of the pigeon had been blown away with rifle. The building is not safe and must be pulled down. Just choose the meaning. Okay. The person who collect coins. This is we call numismatic. This is very important. It always come MPSC officer job, grade 4 job, LD job, even the MCS job as well. One who talk of his own achievement is egotist, not egoistic, egotist. Then a lover of good food. This is Gorman. Then a person having significant experience in occupation. This is veteran, veteran. We used to call it veteran. A period of 1,000 years. This is we call millennium. And then this choose the proper form of words given below. They accuse, appeal, not applied, acts, teacher, pharmacy, but appeal. He is he is too intelligent to be deceived easily. Undoubtedly, English is the most widely spoken language in the world today. He polished his shoes till they shone. The medicines are effective for curing cold. Choose the correct conjunction. I haven't seen him the graduation. This is since the graduation. Everyone likes him because he is very helpful. The children start playing since the teacher had gone out, while also it almost the same. Then he learned driving while he was in France. She likes an ice cream but she does not like chocolate flavor. She liked an ice cream, but she doesn't like that flavor. Fill the blank with the right article. He hoped to join a university soon. Oh, university soon. Iron useful metal. Iron is a useful metal. Can you turn off the light? John make error of judgment. An error of judgment. Could you come on the 16th February? Then this interchange interchange affirmative, negative to correct affirmative given sentence. A scholar is sometimes wrong. Then answer is a scholar is not always right. Our teacher was absent yesterday. Then no English teacher was present yesterday because this is interchange. Jamun is sweeter than cake. Cake is not sweet as jamun. Then I will always respect my father, but I will never fail to respect my father. So this is the end, this aptitude, this thing, and then this thing I will send through PDF. Those who have subscribed, I'll send through PDF. This thing, maths, everything. Then tomorrow I'll do with this mandal pose. This is because JK English. See, I have complete to solve this question. So please subscribe and share.